This is the second half of the piecework. That's what I did right there. From the last video that I did, part one, I put those that red marker on there, and I just could not let that go. So I'm trying to be honest, you know. I admit. But I mean, it turned out cute. If you see the belts up close, they look really cute. Because I punched the holes in there, and then I put those, they're not grommets, but they're grommets. I use colored ones. Purple, blue, and pink, I think, are purple, green, and was that blue or pink? I know one's blue, one's purple, and I think one's green. And they're a lot smaller than those. It looks like it was planned, you know, called a save. I get in that zone sometimes. But to be perfectly honest, I was nervous. That's why I did that. Oh, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was thinking about doing it for this one too. So, but the fabric is green and white, so this one has like 3 different colors: the black, the tan, the red. No, 4 colors: the black, the tan, the red, and the white. I was so proud of myself for doing this. But if I can be consistent, you know. The next fabric, you guys, oh my God, it is simply gorgeous. But it's one of those, like, I think it's one of those specialty fabrics because it's in like 36-inch width. I'm used to getting 60-inch width. Yeah. So I'm probably not going to do 4 garments. Probably just like 3. Maybe even just 2. And it isn't like your everyday fabric. So I'm thinking of like slitting the either down the back or the side or the front, and use buttons or zippers, because it's kind of more dressed up, but I still want it to be casual. I don't want it to be super dressy, but I also don't want it to be like, these are just like everyday dresses. See, those are the ones I put in there. Realizing I had made a mistake. Yeah, the other one, I don't know what kind of fabric it is, but it's like a high-end mid-tier, because these are this red collection and the white collection are Terry Jersey. The red one is called, can't remember the name. I wrote it down because I looked it up. It has the loops in the back and it's breathable. And the white is flocked like felt on the inside. But they're both hoodie jersey material. And so this is, like I said, you could wear it to like the community meetings when you go into the council meetings, or a parent teacher meeting, or to the movies, or to a barbecue, picnic, coffee date, things like that. It's not super dressy, but it's dressy enough to look sophisticated. It's casual sophisticates, if you will. Yes, I did that. I said that, casual sophisticates. So. I hate when I do that. If I don't keep my hand on this while I'm doing the voiceover, it'll go to sleep. So I have to keep moving the cursor around. And it's just weird. But anyway. Yeah. I did something there. I really love the way these belts turned out. I really do. They are so spanking. And to be perfectly honest, the more I do these runs, I can only get better. My technique, which is one of the reasons I want to do the runs, because I want that confidence. Just like put out 100 pieces and all of them are just like stellar. Not do one and just be fretting over it. I know enough haters or people who look at my stuff. And I'm not pointing a finger at anyone out there, but I know people who are just no support whatsoever. I had this dude tell me that I could design and then I should send my stuff off to overseas and have it done professionally. And I looked at him and he was in my place and I was like, get the F out. You had to be here. I mean, it was insulting. Like they don't make mistakes in factories. I want you guys to see my mistakes, so and I hope that you appreciate, that I'm showing you. Not that you have to be grateful, but appreciate that. I want you to see what I'm putting into this, to be humbled, that you would even watch me make this stuff, as opposed to saying I'm so great, you need to watch me. No, I'm not saying that. What's up going on with my lights going up and down like that? It's tripping my eyes out. Anyway, I got them all in there. This is 8. 8/7/8/7. So these are like just under a month old. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, repost. Thank you so much for spending 9 minutes and 34 seconds of your time. I will see you guys in the next video. That's banging, right? Laters.